Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Code Seekers. In today's video, we will learn how to convert text to speech. Before that, we have already learned how to convert speech to text using Python with speech recognition module. If you want to watch that video, link of it is given in description of this video. Now coming towards our topic, that is text to speech. There are so many modules available in Python to convert text to speech. In this tutorial, we will be using Google Text-to-Speech API as its accuracy is greater than other modules and it is also very easy to use. We can easily convert our text to audio speech and can download that audio as MP3 in a very few lines of code. Libraries required for this task are gTTS, which stands for Google Text-to-Speech. Now open your Anaconda prompt and run command pip install gTTS. Take care of spellings. G is small while TTS are capital letters. It will take few moments and will install gTTS module. gTTS supports many languages like Urdu, Hindi, Tamil, Chinese, English and many more. We are done with installation of required module. Now let's start coding. Open your Jupyter notebook, create new Python 3 file and let's start writing. From gTTS, import gTTS function. Take care of the spellings. Now let's take input from the user, the text that we will be converting into speech. Now define a 2-character language parameter as gTTS function requires 3 parameters. One is the text, another one is the language in which we want to convert the audio, and third one is the speed of speech, that is slow parameter whose value can be true or false. Now in the gTTS function, set text is equals to my text, lang is equals to language and slow is equals to true. This gTTS function returns us the audio of the text we have passed to it. So let's save that audio in my art object. Now it's time to save the audio. My art.save function will be used to save the audio in our computer. Give name to your audio. Here I am giving my audio.mp3. Now let's run the code. Give the text, welcome to my channel, and that's it. It has done with the execution. So now let's find our my audio file in the default directory. I have found my audio file. Open it.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome
So
to
you
my
see-
channel.
So you guys noticed it has saved the audio of text we passed to our function. So if you learned something new from this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe my channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.